Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can install PearOS in a VirtualBox. With this you need VirtualBox installed. You can install it from virtualbox.org. Just click on whichever OS you have. I have a Windows system, so I will click on Windows host and the download will start. So for example, you have a Mac, click on OS X. So after VirtualBox is installed, you need the ISO for PureOS. So click on free download the 64-bit version. As soon as you come here, click to start it manually, or else you will get an 403 forbidden error. So as soon as you come here, click to start it manually. Okay, so after you have downloaded all of this and installed VirtualBox, click on New. Click, um, type whatever the virtual machine's name should be. For example, I want it to be PearOS 2 because I have already created a PearOS machine. Click on Linux, Ubuntu 64-bit. Allocated it 1024 MB of RAM, actually a gig. So after you have done that, click on next and create a virtual hard disk now. A VDI image. This should be fixed size. You can give it around 15 gigabytes. Why didn't it come? Okay, 15 gigabytes. Create. So this will take some time. Be patient, let it be created. Till then I will just skip the part for you. Okay, so it's done creating the virtual machine. So now what you need to do is click on start. It will start in a few moments. Okay, so the windows appeared. From here, click on this icon. Then here, if the option for the ISO is not here, click on add, and wherever you have saved the ISO, go to the folder, click on it and choose it. So it's done, it's chosen. So then now the virtual machine is starting. Let it do its thing. So here you need to do with the arrow keys, go to start the installer directly and press enter. It will do its thing. Okay, so now this will take a bit of time to bring up the installing screen, so be patient for it. Okay, maybe I should just cut the video. Okay, so the machine has started. You can see the mouse pointer. This will take some time, let it come. By the way, if you have an internet connection, it will just automatically connect to the if it's a virtual machine, it will automatically connect to the internet. So here, choose whatever language you want to. So well, I understand English, so English. Continue. Then download updates will so well, if you want to download the updates while installing, just check mark this icon, or if you don't want to install the updates or download the updates, don't check it. So well, I don't want to install the updates, so just click continue without checking this. So from here, so if you are doing this on a real laptop, please don't do this if there's any important files on the disk, because this will just erase the disk and install PureOS. So first create a backup of those files and then choose this option. So erase disk and install Pure. Install now. So it will do its thing. Let it do its thing. So just click wherever you live. I live here. So continue. Um, I have the UK layout. So English UK, you can select whichever you want the keyboard layout to be. Continue. Or if you want it to be English UK Macintosh, you can select it. Login automatically. Your name, maybe PearOS. Get this out. I don't want VirtualBox in it. Pick a username, PureOS. Peer. Wait, I will just type in a password. Okay. Oh. Okay. Done. Continue. So well, after this, it will just do its thing. It will install all this, copy its files, just leave it. So I will skip the video for you. Okay. So well, it says the installation is complete. Um, Installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. So click on restart now. Okay. It will restart the computer. Okay, whatever this is, it's doing something. Are you restarting, by the way, machine? Okay, so well here, let's see. I'm just gonna close power of the machine. We'll do thing to this, start it. Start. Now this time it will start the PureOS. You will see it. There it is. Just 2 seconds, and PureOS desktop will be on our screen. Okay, it's starting. Okay, it's starting. Wait, just wait. Yes, it started. You can see that mouse pointer. Wait, view, full screen mode. Okay, good. So well, this looks just like the Mac OS. You'll get to see it. Just wait. Okay, yes, this came in. Where's my background? Yes, it's loading, it's loading. There you go. That's PureOS. So, about this computer. Okay, take some time to load everything. Yes, there you go. PureOS, device name PureOS, memory 995.1 MB, processor this, graphics this, OS 64-bit, and disk is 14.7 gigabytes. So well, in this you also get the Firefox web browser. That's good actually. Cancel this. Oh, okay. Let's go to let's say Google. Oh wait, sorry. Actually, my that thing does not work. Some of the keys in my cancel. Actually, some of the keys in my keyboard do not work. So well, on-screen keyboard. Okay, what? On-screen keyboard. Okay. Where's my keyboard? There you go. Hey, wait, there. Okay. Google.com/Chrome. Oh, Chrome error. Let's see if we can download Chrome on this. Okay. Okay, download Chrome. Okay, the Debian Ubuntu. So 64-bit board.deb for Debian Ubuntu. Accept and install. Okay, 79. What should Firefox do with this file? Save file. Okay. So this will save it in the downloads folder, I guess. Okay, from here, let's close this. Close this. Then you go to files. I guess it's in the downloads folder. Yes, it's there. Okay, we will double click it. Open with GDBI packet installer. Yay, it's opening. Loading. Okay. Details. Coded file. Linear output. Whatever this is. Check the permissions of the file. Oh wait. Downloads. Open with Peer Software Center. Let's see. Well, this is a thing to mess with because this is a virtual machine, obviously. But don't install any virus in this because it's going to just mess up your internet connection. Okay. Let's see if Chrome is here. Chrome Chromium, bro. Oh, Chromium is there. Install this thing. Installing. Okay. Authenticate. Okay. Authenticate. Done. It's installing. Well, in place of um okay. Wait. Where's my software center? It's installing. Okay. Pre-install. Why didn't I install it? It's installing. Repair. Let's see what happens if we repair this. Installing. Okay, in progress. Update. Oh. Okay. The CPU is working at 100%. It's installing. Progress. Software sources. Okay, okay. What's this? So well, I guess that's the end of the video. Um, you can, mess up with this PureOS. So I guess that's the end of this video. By the way, please subscribe and like this video. Also share it. And by the way, I have designed my own website. I will link it in the description. You can go from there. Go to the website from there. So well, that's it for today's video. Bye.